Students, welcome to this video. In this video, now we are going to discuss NEET and JW physics. So the topic we are going to discuss is kinetic theory of gases. You observe the video, like and share my video and subscribe my channel also. Now let us go into the topic deeply. So in the topic kinetic theory of gases, now we are going to discuss the different types of speeds of gas molecules and the related problems, right? Macroscopic variables of a gas are pressure, volume, and temperature, and microscopic properties are speed of gas molecules or the momentum of molecules, etc. Okay, right? Now, kinetic theory of gases relates the microscopic property and the macroscopic property. If you consider an ideal gas consisting of n molecules in a container of volume V, now the container is a cube with edge of length d. So the molecules are inside the container are moving here and there, and they may undergo sometimes collisions inside. Okay, so what is the pressure exerted by the gas and what are the velocities related with that? Let us see one by one. Okay, so the pressure exerted by the gas molecules is equal to n by 3 m v squared. Okay, so the particles of a gas in the container have different range of speeds. So there are three types of speeds. First one is RMS speed. Root means square speed of the gas molecule. The second one, the average speed of the gas molecule. Third one, the most probable speed of the gas molecule. Okay, so first of all, if we see the equation for VRMS, RMS means root mean square speed of the gas molecule. Therefore, VRMS is equal to root of 3RT divided by M. This is the equation, right? Here RT is equal to PM by rho. Therefore, if we substitute this in the equation, VRMS is equal to root of 3RT divided by M is equal to root of 3P divided by rho. Here rho corresponds to the density of the gas molecule. Okay. Now let us consider the average speed of the gas molecule. So the average speed is found by taking the average speed of all the particles at a given instant. Always you remember that the speed is positive because it is the magnitude of the velocity. Now the average velocity VAV is equal to root of 8 kt divided by pi m. In the equation, k is called Boltzmann constant. So this is also equal to 8 RT divided by pi capital M. This is equal to 8 P divided by pi rho. So in the above expression, now we see that VRMS and V average, right? The root means square speed and the average velocity. Here capital M corresponds to the molar mass in grams per mole. So the next one is most probable speed. So that is written as VMP. VMP is equal to root of 2RT divided by M. So we here discussed three speeds. VRMS, V average and most probable speed. Now if we compare the three equations, okay, so VRMS is to V average is to VMP. Okay, so you write all the three equations. Root of 3RT divided by M, that is VRMS. Then V average, root of 8RT divided by pi M. Then VMP, root of 2RT divided by M. Then the final answer will be, if you cancel the things, the final answer will be VRMS is to V average is to VMP is equal to root 3 is to root of 2.5 is to root 2. Okay, here in the three equations you consider one important thing. That is VRMS is greater than V average. V average is greater than VMP. Okay, so always VRMS value is greater. So you please remember it. Okay. Now based on these formulas, now we are going to study three problems. The first problem let us see now. Okay, now the first problem is, because problems are very important for NEET and JW exams also. So let us see the first problem. Calculate the root mean square speed of smoke particles of mass 5 into 10 power minus 17 kilogram in their Brownian motion in air at NTP. So K value is given. Boltzmann constant is equal to 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So according to the kinetic theory of gases, the VRMS formula is equal to root of 3RT divided by M. or the root of 3 kT divided by small m. Okay, va? Here the temperature is now NTP. Therefore, T is equal to 273 K. M mass is given 5 into 10 power minus 17 kilogram. Boltzmann's constant K is given as 1.38 into 10 power minus 23. So, you substitute all the values in the formula. Then we can get the final answer as 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 meter per second. That is equal to 1.5 centimeter per second. Okay. So, the first problem is over. Now, let us see the second problem. So, in the second problem, two vessels having equal volume contain molecular hydrogen at 1 atmosphere and helium at 2 atmospheres respectively. What is the ratio of RMS speed of hydrogen molecule to that of helium molecule if both the samples are at same temperature? So, this is the question. So, now let us see how the solution will be. According to the kinetic theory of gases, we know the formula for VRMS. VRMS is equal to root of 3RT divided by capital M. Okay, va? So, here two gases are given in the sum. One is hydrogen gas, another one is helium gas. So, VH divided by VHE is equal to root of MHE divided by MH. Okay, because VRMS is inversely proportional to square root of mass. Okay. Now, VH we should find. So, VH is equal to root of 4 by 2 VHE. Okay, right? So, this is equal to 4 by 2 means 2. So, this is equal to root of root 2 into VHE. Okay, that is volume of helium. So, this sum is over, right? Now, let us see another sum also. So, now let us see the third sum. 10 particles are moving at the speed of 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7 and 9 meter per second. Calculate the RMS speed, average speed and most probable speed. Okay. So, the average speed, V average, that is V bar is given. V bar is equal to, you add all the values divided by 10 because the number of particles 10. So, the answer is 5.2 meter per second. Okay. Next, find the RMS speed. So, RMS speed V squared bar is equal to, so first calculate the square of all. 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared plus 5 squared plus 5 squared plus 6 squared plus 6 squared plus 7 squared plus 9 squared. Then sum divided by 10. So, the answer is 30.6 meter square. Yes, second minus 2. Then the next one is the RMS speed, VRMS, right, is equal to square root of the mean square speed, because previously we determined the mean square speed. Okay. So, root of mean square speed is equal to root of 30.6. So, the answer is 5.53 meter per second. So, the most probable speed is 5 meter per second because 3 of the particles have the same speed. Okay, va? Right? So, because 5 comes 3 times. Okay. So, in this sum we determined RMS speed, average speed and most probable speed. So, you observe the video, like and share my video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.